I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork roast in a crock pot. First, choose a pork shoulder or butt, usually 3 to 5 pounds. Pat it dry and season well with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. This initial step is crucial for flavor. Next, prepare your vegetables, such as onions, carrots, and potatoes, cutting them into larger chunks so they don't get too soft during the long cooking process. This ensures a hearty and flavorful meal. After seasoning, consider searing your pork roast in a hot pan for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. This step creates a delicious crust and locks in juices, though it's optional. Then, arrange your chopped vegetables at the bottom of your slow cooker. Pour in 1 to 2 cups of liquid, such as chicken broth or apple cider, which will keep the roast moist and flavorful throughout the cooking time. This liquid also helps create a wonderful sauce. Now, carefully place your seared pork roast directly on top of the vegetables in the slow cooker. Cover it tightly with the lid. Cook on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours, or if you're short on time, cook on the high setting for 3 to 4 hours. The goal is a tender, fall-apart roast. Always check the internal temperature to ensure it reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety and optimal texture. Once cooked, carefully remove the pork roast from the slow cooker and let it rest on a cutting board for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat even more tender and flavorful. You can then easily shred the pork using 2 forks for delicious pulled pork, or slice it if you prefer. Serve your succulent pork with the flavorful vegetables and the rich pan juices from the slow cooker. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.